Hello, and welcome to English Podcast City.
Hi, everyone. We're glad to see you again. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English podcast. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. Seriously, thank you for listening. That means a lot.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maria, and I'm excited too. Today's topic is super simple, super fun, and honestly, something we all experience every day.
Yep, we're talking about daily life, normal, everyday things we do, think, feel, and notice. And this is great for English learners because daily life English is the most useful English.
Exactly. You don't need big vocabulary to talk about daily life. You just need simple, real sentences that people use every day.
And we're going to talk about our own routines, our habits, our mornings, our nights, our small problems, our little joys, everything.
Basically, we're inviting you into our lives.
Yeah, pretty much. But before we jump in, we want to say welcome to all our new listeners. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this episode, remember to stay until the end. We'll remind you how you can support the channel. It truly helps.
Absolutely. Okay, Maria, how are you today? How's your morning been?
Oh, my morning was okay. Nothing special. I woke up late, made some coffee, and just sat on the couch for a few minutes, doing nothing.
Doing nothing is sometimes the best part of the day.
I agree. What about you, Alex? How did your day start?
Honestly, pretty slow. I woke up, stared at the ceiling for like 3 minutes, then finally got out of bed. But after that, I made toast and tea, and that helped me wake up.
Toast and tea, classic. You're such a simple breakfast person.
I really am. I like easy mornings. No stress, no heavy cooking.
Same. Mornings are delicate.
Yeah.
I need peace.
You know, I feel like how you start your morning really affects the rest of your day.
Yes, 100%. If my morning is calm, the rest of the day feels easier.
But if the morning is chaos,
Then the whole day feels chaotic.
exactly. That's why today's topic, daily life, is important. Because small things matter. The little routines we have shape our mood and our energy.
Right. And I think talking about daily life is great for English learners because native speakers love these conversations. We talk about simple things all the time.
Yes, like, how was your morning? What did you do last night? Any plans for the weekend? This is everyday English.
And it's natural, it's friendly, it helps people connect.
And it doesn't require big vocabulary, just clear and simple sentences.
Exactly. And today we'll show you how we talk about our daily routines, little habits, and even boring things in a friendly, natural way.
And trust me, boring things can be pretty funny.
Oh, definitely. My daily life has so many tiny disasters.
I can't wait to hear some. All right, everyone, let's get into the main part of the episode. Okay, Maria, let's continue talking about daily life. We talked about mornings, but what about afternoons? What is a normal afternoon for you?
My afternoons are usually a mix of work and small breaks. After lunch, I try to do the tasks that need more focus, but I always make time for a 10-minute walk. It helps my mind reset.
Oh, I love that. A small walk can really change your mood. Sometimes I just go outside, breathe the fresh air, and suddenly everything feels easier.
Exactly. And you know what? I also use afternoons to reply to messages from friends. Not the stressful ones, just the fun ones.
Yeah, only the fun messages. I understand that. Some messages need energy. Some messages take energy.
True. But talking to friends makes daily life feel lighter. Even a quick, "How are you?" can make a big difference.
I agree. Human connection is such an important part of daily life. Even if we're busy, staying connected helps us feel grounded.
So, Alex, after your morning work, what do your afternoons look like?
Well, it depends. Some days I record videos or podcasts like this one. Other days I write scripts or check comments from viewers. I love reading comments. It feels like having many small conversations with people from around the world.
Oh, that's so nice. And you always reply kindly. People really appreciate that.
Thanks, Maria. I try my best. And I think this is a part of my daily life that I enjoy, feeling connected to people.
Me too. That's why I enjoy coming to this podcast. We always talk honestly.
Yes, we do. That's the best part. Okay, let's move to the evening. What do evenings look like for you?
Evenings are my favorite. It's like the world finally becomes quiet. I usually make dinner, listen to music, and relax. Sometimes I watch a series, or journal, or call my family.
That sounds very peaceful.
It really is. What about you? What's your evening like?
I try to keep my evenings slow. I choose light activities, reading, editing small things, maybe cooking, and at the end, I try to disconnect from my phone.
That's important. Using the phone before bed makes it harder to sleep.
Exactly. So I try to talk to myself, like a small check-in. How was my day? What did I learn? What do I want tomorrow?
Wow, that's actually a nice habit.
It helps me grow. Even small things in daily life can teach us something.
You know, when we talk about daily life, people often think about big things, work, routines, responsibilities, but the small moments are the best ones.
Absolutely. Like enjoying a warm drink, or watching the sky, or laughing with someone.
Or listening to a podcast like this.
Yes, exactly.
The little things make daily life beautiful.
They really do.
So, Maria, let's talk about something important: daily life challenges. Because even though daily life can be nice, it's not always easy.
Oh, yes, definitely. Everyone has challenges. Even small ones can feel big on some days.
Exactly. Like waking up tired, feeling unmotivated, or having too much to do.
Or feeling stressed, or just having a low energy day. I think that's normal.
Very normal. And I think people should be kinder to themselves on those days.
I agree. Sometimes we push ourselves too much. It's okay to slow down. It's okay to rest.
Yes, resting is part of daily life too, not just working.
Absolutely.
So, what helps you stay motivated when you have a difficult day?
Usually small habits. I drink water, take a deep breath, and do one tiny task. Just one.
That's great advice. Just one task. It makes everything feel less heavy.
Yes, because when you finish that small task, your brain says, good job, and then you want to keep going.
I love that. For me, music helps. Good music can change my whole mood.
Oh, same. Music is magic.
It really is. And sometimes talking to someone can also help.
True. A short conversation can give you energy.
Let's talk about healthy habits. What are some simple habits people can add to daily life?
I think one good habit is stretching. Honestly, just 5 minutes can change your whole body.
I agree. Stretching feels amazing, especially after working.
Another habit is drinking enough water. Most people forget that.
You're right. Water is so basic, but so important.
And also, having a routine helps. Not a strict routine, but a gentle one.
Yes, like a soft structure.
Exactly. Something that gives your day shape, but doesn't stress you.
You know what else makes daily life better? Small joys.
Oh, I love this topic. Tell me one of your small joys.
Okay. One of my joys is making coffee in the morning. The smell, the warmth, it feels like a hug.
Oh, that's cute. I love that. For me, my small joy is opening the window and feeling fresh air on my face.
That is so simple and so beautiful.
Right? It reminds me that I'm alive.
Wow, that's deep, but I like it.
It's true.
Let's talk about relationships. Friends, family, people we see every day.
Yes, they're a big part of our daily life.
Absolutely. A good conversation can make your whole day better.
Or just a smile. Sometimes I walk outside and someone smiles at me and it gives me hope.
That's the power of human connection.
Yes, and we should try to give that feeling to others too.
I agree. Even a kind word can change someone's day.
So, Maria, daily life isn't only serious. Sometimes it's funny too.
Do you have a funny daily life story?
Oh, yes. Last week, I made tea, right? And I forgot the tea bag.
So you made hot water.
Exactly. I took one sip and thought, why does this taste like nothing? I felt so silly.
I love that. I once tried to put milk in my coffee and grabbed orange juice instead.
No, you didn't.
I did. I poured it in before I realized.
That's terrible. Did you drink it?
Absolutely not. Even I have limits.
You know, these funny stories show something important.
What's that?
Life doesn't need to be perfect. Mistakes are normal. Even small things can make us laugh.
Yes. People sometimes think their day must be perfect, but that's impossible.
Exactly. Being positive doesn't mean pretending everything is great.
Right. It means trying to see the good moments, even tiny ones.
Or creating moments of joy for yourself.
That's powerful. Make joy instead of waiting for joy.
Alex, do you think routines can make people happier?
I do, if the routine fits your life. Not too strict, but comfortable.
Yes. A routine should support you, not pressure you.
For example, a morning routine that is soft and peaceful.
Or a night routine that helps you relax.
Exactly. Something that tells your brain, hey, it's time to slow down.
I love slow, peaceful nights. Making tea, reading a little.
That sounds perfect. Here's something interesting. Gratitude.
Oh, yes. Gratitude is powerful.
When people take a moment to think about something good in their day, their mood changes.
Completely. Even saying, I'm grateful for this cup of tea, can make your mind feel lighter.
Yes, gratitude makes you notice small beauty.
And daily life has so much beauty.
Maria, what is one thing in your daily life that makes you feel peaceful?
When I take a walk in the evening, the air is cooler, the world feels calm.
That sounds beautiful. For me, it's writing in my notebook before bed.
You write every night?
Almost, it helps me clear my mind.
That's a good habit.
It keeps my thoughts organized or at least less messy.
Same here. My brain is always full of ideas.
That's why you're perfect for this podcast.
Aw, thank you.
You know, Maria, one thing I really want listeners to remember is this: small wins matter.
Yes, people forget that. They think success means big, huge things.
But honestly, small wins build big change.
Exactly. Like making your bed, drinking water, going for a short walk,
Or finishing a simple task at work.
or even waking up on time. That can be a win.
Yes, when we celebrate small things, we feel proud more often.
And feeling proud helps us stay motivated.
It's like building confidence brick by brick.
Time management is another big part of daily life.
Oh, yes, time can disappear so fast.
Too fast. Sometimes I look at the clock and think, how is it 6 p.m. already?
Same. But planning a little helps.
Yes, not strict planning, but gentle planning.
I like that. Gentle planning.
You write down what you want to do, but you don't punish yourself if you don't do everything.
Exactly. Life happens. We can't control everything.
But we can try to organize our day in a kind way.
Speaking of kindness, people forget to rest.
Yes, rest is not a luxury. It's part of life.
Sometimes people feel guilty for resting.
I know, but rest gives you energy. It makes you better at everything else.
I think everyone listening right now should remind themselves, I deserve rest.
Yes, say it again, everyone. I deserve rest.
And you do.
But Alex, daily life is not always calm. Sometimes it's stressful.
True. Stress is normal. Everyone feels it.
Even small things can stress us out.
Like being late or forgetting something important.
Or having too many things to do.
But we can deal with stress better when we talk about it.
Yes, hiding stress makes it heavier.
Sharing stress makes it lighter.
That is so true.
Let's talk about surprises in daily life.
Ah, yes, the unexpected moments.
Some surprises are great.
And some surprises are not so great.
Like when your phone dies at the worst moment.
Or when you spill coffee on your shirt right before leaving home.
Or when your bus arrives early and you miss it.
Oh, yes, that's the worst.
But somehow those moments become funny later.
They do. We survive them, then we laugh.
You know what else daily life helps us with?
What?
Growing, little by little.
Yes, every day teaches us something.
Even boring days.
Especially boring days.
We learn patience, responsibility, self-care.
And how to handle our emotions.
Daily life is like a small teacher.
I love that. A quiet teacher.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, we're reaching the end of today's episode. This was such a warm and beautiful conversation.
Yes, it really was. Talking about daily life sounds simple, but it's actually very deep.
Exactly. Daily life is where we live most of our time. It shapes who we are.
And today, I feel like we explored so many parts of it.
Yeah, the routines, the funny moments, the stress, the surprises.
The little joys, the small wins, the things that make us feel peaceful.
And I hope our listeners felt comfort today.
Yes, if you're listening right now, I want to say something to you. You are doing your best. Even if your day was messy or stressful or slow, you still tried, and that matters.
Absolutely. You're not alone. We all go through busy days, boring days, exciting days, everything.
And that's what makes life beautiful.
So before we say goodbye, remember this. Try to enjoy the small things. They are the heart of daily life.
Notice moments of calm. Notice moments of laughter. And be kind to yourself.
Yes, daily life isn't perfect, but it can be meaningful.
And you deserve a peaceful, happy everyday life.
And hey, if you enjoyed this episode,
Here comes the famous moment.
yes, please support our channel. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might enjoy it.
It really helps the podcast grow and lets us keep creating more episodes for you.
Exactly. Your support means so much to us.
Thank you for being here with us today.
All right, everyone. Take care of yourselves.
Have a beautiful day or night wherever you are.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.